I'm standing in downtown Trout Lake, Washington, a beautiful, quaint little town located right at the base of Mount Adams, with easy access to the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest. In this sweet little town sits an extraordinary real estate opportunity. Introducing rare 20-acre timbered parcels boasting unparalleled views of the majestic Mount Adams. There are only 4 parcels, but 2 are left to purchase. Each parcel offers a tranquil retreat with ample space for you to build your dream home, surrounded by tranquility and nature and recreation right at your fingertips. You can literally bike, cross-country ski, minutes from where I'm standing here. And one of my favorite parts about these parcels is that it's incredibly quiet. Just stop and listen. Not a sound of a car, just the birds chirping and the trees blowing in the wind. What truly sets these lots apart are the special lava formations found on select parcels, adding a distinctive charm to an already stunning landscape. Whether you're seeking a secluded getaway or envisioning a place to call home amidst nature's splendor, these 20-acre timbered parcels offer endless possibilities. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Trout Lake. If you're interested, I would love to walk the property with you, but maybe next time I'll wear my hiking shoes.